It's January 2021, and here at Happy Leaf, we want to tell you about our current offering of LED grow lights. We've been designing and providing USA-made LED grow lights since 2014, and the biggest difference between what we offer compared to much of what you find in the market is that we bring you the latest technology based on the most current research on how to help your plants thrive with optimal LED grow light designs. Being a small company means that we can keep our inventory fresh and don't have to keep selling old technology, which is something we see a lot of. Because there are so many variations of LED grow lights, many of which are minimally effective, it can be very confusing to understand what you need in an LED grow light. With Happy Leaf, you can trust that you are getting the best current technology at a fair price. We use exceptionally efficient and high-quality Osram square LEDs with very precise ratios of red to green to blue light that has been researched thoroughly. We are really excited that all of our lighting now will appear much like a standard 2900 Kelvin white light while still maintaining the full spectrum needed for plant growth. The days of purple or pinkish light that we have all equated with grow lights are a thing of the past. Another important upgrade is that the beam angle on all of our lights has widened from 80 degrees to 120 degrees. This increases the effective growing area by up to 50%. These lights are solid-state design, which means that there's no parts to fail, no bulbs to replace, and you can trust that these lights will last a long time, well past the 5-year warranty we provide. Our lights are IP65 rated for water resistance, which means that they won't get harmed if they get exposed to water, such as when misting or if water splashes onto the light. Just keep in mind that they can't be immersed in water. So with all of that information, what are the differences between the two series of lights? It comes down to a few key factors. The Procyon 2.0 is available in two sizes, a 17 and a 33-inch light. This is the newest iteration of the same light we have been selling for the past couple of years. So if you have our Procyon light, this will perform just as well, but it will have a wider beam angle and thus more coverage area, and it will have a more pleasing appearance to your eye because it appears very similar to daylight at 2900 Kelvin. The Procyon Pro light is available in one size, a 33-inch length, and its main difference comes down to how much light or PAR energy this light emits. The Pro light has more LEDs compared to the Procyon 2.0, so you're getting a greater amount of total light. The Pro light is an excellent choice if your objectives are to grow for maximum productivity per square inch of space, or if you are growing plants that need the highest level of light requirements. The Procyon Pro light uses about 40% more energy than the Procyon 2.0, but it's highly efficient and only costs about an average of 12 cents a day to operate when running 16 hours a day. On our website, www.happyleafled.com, we provide you with PAR maps and suggested coverage areas. Keep in mind, these are starting points for you to work with. More than anything, we want to answer your questions about our lights. We've put technical specifications on the website and along with independent lab test reports. Be sure to look at the PAR measurement information because this is the technical side of the story that shows you the difference between our lights and the competition. We also hope you will contact us directly with your questions. We have some great blog posts you should check out. We cover even more topics on our YouTube channel. You'll find links to all of the topics I've referenced in this YouTube video in the links, and we look forward to hearing from you.